get that, all I need to do is to divide the total circumference, the hip circumference is to divide it into 12 plus 2 centimeter. So you measure your 1 to 5. You measure from 1 to 5, whatever your answer is. I'm using a small scale in order for us to understand and to be fast with it. So this is my 1 to 5. Just follow the way it's been drafted. This is my 1 to 5. And you're going to do the same on 6. That's how do you get your 6? You measure from 2. What you measure 1 to 5, you measure on 2 as well. So this is 6. You do same on 7. This is 7. Then connect the lines. So we have 5, 6, and 7. I hope we understand how I got that. So now we want to, we've gotten 7. Now is to get our 8. How do we do that? On 6, you measure the quarter of your hip measurement. That's from 6. You measure in to get your hip measurement plus 0.5. Plus 0.5, which is somewhere here. That will make it 8. That will make it 8. So we've gotten 8. Now is to locate our 9. How do we do that? What you need to do is the total circumference of your hip measurement, you divide it by 16. Whatever your answer is, plus 1 centimeter. So all you need to do now is to measure your answer from 5. That is 5 to 9. You measure from 5. Just what I'm doing, you measure from 5. So this is where my 9 is. You can see it's taking form already. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to locate my 10. What do I do? All I need to do is from 7 to 10 is 1 centimeter inward. 7 to 10 is 1 centimeter inward. This is 10. I hope it's clear. That is 10 here. And 10 to 11. The next thing we are going to do is to achieve our 11. But before we do that, okay, let's quickly do that so we can join all the lines together. Now 10 to 11 is quarter of your waist measurement plus 2 centimeter for your darts. 2 centimeter for your darts. So you measure from 10. You measure from 10. Remember, from 10. Quarter of your waist plus 2 centimeter, which is somewhere here for me, plus 2 centimeter, which is somewhere here for me. So this is my 11. So all we need to do now is to connect these lines together. So I need to locate my angle here. How do I do that? All I need to do is to use this. I'll mark it in this direction. Take it out. Then all we need to do is to measure. For you to get the angle here, you must know your size measurement. For 6 to 8 size, you'll be using 2.75. But I'll be using half of it because I am making use of small scale. I am using small scale. But remember, for 6 to 8 size, you'll be using 2.75, and for 10 to 14, you'll be using 3 centimeter from this angle. I hope it's clear. So now what we want to do is we want to connect 9 to this angle, to 6 and to 10. This is where you need these tools. This tool is for curving the crutch, but if you don't have it, you can use, if you have this, you can use this by following the curve. So because I'm working on a small scale, I'm going to use this to curve it. So you see, but if it's a big scale, you will need this. I can also use it for the small scale. All you need to do is to follow the direction. You see, like I said, you connect 6 to this angle, and you also connect 9 to where we took that, and as well as this, you take it to 10. That's 6 to 10. You connect 6 to 10. I hope you can see what I just did. Then all you need to do is connect 11 to 8. Did you see that? So it's very simple. So the next thing we want to do is to connect 3 to 12. We've done 11. We're to connect 3 to 12, and 3 to 12, and 3 to 13. Where are we going to get those ones? All you need to do is 3 to 12 is half of your bottom, as the measurement, the circumference of your ankle width. You divide it into 2, then you measure halfway. So I have mine here. You're going to add to it is you take away 0.5 from it. You take away 0.5 to it. So this is my 12. For our 13 is on 4. So you measure what you have there. If already, it's not compulsory you add anything to it if you have it already. It's not compulsory. So the measurement you took here, so this is 13. 13. Now for me to get my 14, what I used here is what I'm going to use here. Remember, it's the circumference of your ankle. So this is my 14, and my 15 also is here. My 15. So what I'm going to do is to connect the lines. Connect the lines. So you can connect with a straight line. You connect 8 to 13, and 13 to 12. 13 to 12. The same thing. 15 to 14. And 9 to 15. We are not done yet. Now that we have them connected, it's very simple. You know, we added 2 centimeters on the waist for the darts. You're going to locate the darts somewhere here. All you need to do is to measure your 1 centimeter to the left, 1 centimeter to the right by 10 centimeter. So I'll quickly do mine so you can see what it looks like. Remember, I am using the small scale, so that's to tell you that all my measurements will be divided into 2. But for you are drafting a big scale. So now we have our dart on